G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to show you how to change a blade in your Vitamix container. Now Vitamix don't recommend removing the blade for cleaning, as if you did it continuously you'd eventually damage the seal. However, we can remove the blade if you have accidentally damaged it by leaving a metal spoon in there, or if you need to replace your container shell. So the easiest way to change a Vitamix blade is by using a Vitamix blade removal tool. Now this is the classic Vitamix blade removal tool. This will work on all classic Vitamix containers, your 2 liters, your 1.4s, your 900 ml. It'll also work on your commercial containers, your advanced blade container. Now there is another blade removal tool. It's the Ascent blade removal tool, only compatible with the Ascent series containers, the 2 litre and the 1.4 litre containers. Now these blade removal tools are only available for Australian customers. You're not going to get these internationally. So let's show you how it works. Now I always use a chopping board or a tea towel on the kitchen bench before changing the blade, just in case it falls out and damages your kitchen bench. So I turn the container upside down, I'll get my blade removal tool and it just latches onto the bottom of the retainer nut here. I literally just turn this anti-clockwise. It's just going to unscrew. Sometimes the blade assembly will fall straight out onto the kitchen bench, but sometimes it will be twisted inside the plastic here. So you can see there's 2 little straight edges here. What I need to do is get some pliers on those and just twist it slightly so it lines up with those straight edges, and then it should be able to just tap straight out like that. Okay, so we've got our blade assembly out. So now we're going to put in our replacement blade assembly. Same thing, I just put the blade down inside the container, one hand right up in so it doesn't fall out. You don't want it falling onto your foot. Hold it in there. You want this thread to be right through. I want to get my retainer nut and just screw it onto that thread. Keep pressure from this side. Just got to screw it on until it grips. There we go. Doing it up finger tight is never going to be tight enough. You need to use a blade remover tool and really get it tight. You don't want to overwork it where you crack the container. Now another trick, if you don't have a blade removal tool, you can get a long screwdriver and lay it down through here sideways and use that as leverage to untwist it or to tighten it. And then the same with the Ascent containers, you would just use the Ascent blade removal tool. It's that simple. You can't use a screwdriver on the Ascent containers, it's not going to work. So that's how easy it is to change a Vitamix blade. So if you need to order any parts or if you want to order any full containers, please head on over to our website rawblend.com.au, and if you have any questions, please hit us up in the comments below. Happy blending!